Ebusham family sa emamu akwaba eba ends media so when you subscribe je bomodian so subscribe na all notification nso ato on until anytime be able post bibi no nsa ebe kan wetimi adwane abusua no enam re sam re de efinsam ene bro ye kakra bi ene ye bro so na ya promise no test bit no say kakra bi kwa de be bro say ya promise mo say ye bi ni mo be ye adwuma na mamu na ba bibia mo bia mo comfortably informed na wetimi ehunu ye koso our football no mo na ya ye game akra has folk na ye dem ewura na eye abranti a ye frɛ eye abranti a usina kan edema has folk ye frɛ no Grason Awako ono so esa ye captain edema team no a has folk for sign no fi Olympics for akache no esamre has folk for say this season omuntimi ni abranti enye adwuma no biom nti abranti no so sesa ansa omuntimi ni enye adwuma biom dia ene senate no was 7 so me 10 months salary there or some muntimi di mame ansa na me so ma dia to me say okay so mu ni me enye adwuma bi mo ane me so me pe baby afa na say mon nyesa ama me 10 months salary there ene me so say me ti ha ne me no be training me no be bibia whether some mama playing time some mama playing time ebo so me so a mo be mama be tu ameka entino sa ene koso o akra has to folk Grason Awako o say has to folk for se mo se mo ntimi ni me nya dwuma bia mu dia ene 10 months salary mon kukuru enfam mame na me ntimi ho ase na me nko na eno ena ye twimben ye bra Prince Tagoe se Prince Tagoe de ono so de wabo team ni bi de ye legend wa team no mo ene ye gina adwen kire se ana bra pani na ni ekoso wo former team ni ne den na wo so onimu ka ho ona wo se oh aden de eye mre da ho na se team de so wo team hu say okay player we this season ye ni won team ndi dwuma bi mo a eye anu kasa unfre player no na money ntina say okay aka onfie sei na o time asom na mmom no ye ni won team nye dwuma bi nti o de wa boa yen so ya boa wo nti o de yenye ne sen na mo nyina mo tutu adwen na say agreement bi a mo boy agree on e bia mo aboa me maboa mo nti mo de mo munye ne sei ma me e bia mo wohu eya kasa na bibia ntimi entuntwa na agreement emra na mo nse ne amo ye no say and the brain no onti asem na mo no yenko na yenko tie ni a ye bra na kasa ye Prince of Ghosts ono wo no she ghost pa ghost ndi o she pa na ye tu ni Prince of Ghosts na ono ade owo no on farm to monim
kakra me de be kan on say I think say has a small team, a big team.
Yeah.
And I think say the leaders and I think so officials, like team managers, all of them, they know the right thing to do.
Sure.
What I say, and Awako will be on the way to find that. Apart from that, he has met so many contracts. What I say, on your upcoming player, own him left and right.
Sure.
Skinny, what I know when say when you don't have anything to do with a player for the coming season,
yeah.
Ubechina tanase na onena kasa. No one man so ebia 1 year we akai. Mean to me ni unye adwuma bi mu. Send e be no. At least my boa kakra. Wo so waboa me. Enti no ebia 1 year mean to me tua ne nyina ma wo. But say na meet me tua. Are you okay with that? Okay. Kasa any understanding and ebema moving forward with this issue no ebetimi akọ because sisia no this is what Awako is requesting, say, open a 10 month salary.
Yeah.
No more terminating. Which means maybe he has 2 years or maybe 1 year. I don't even know how many years I can. What I say, it's either Munineka, not so Betty Sukakrana, you pay him off, and at least you have your peace of mind.
Yeah.
And yes, answer, obey training. You decided to cancel his contract to terminate.
Prince maybe so is see na ye womuno player no any team no why any what power say ya obetimi demand say we na mepe mo anya ma me a me so me nya we ma mo.
Now the player has the power because the player didn't say we judge him no mobium. Muna muso mo mpe no mo pese mo terminate.
Yeah.
Terminating also means say the rest of the years I was sign you gather all and pay him in full. What I say?
The leftover.
Yeah, or the coffee for beginning na. What I say? So the best thing is say you normally obe free player now na transi. Na mo discuss, na mo about one agreement. Na what you anipa no ko. This thing has also happened to Adebayo before.
Okay.
Oh, Man City. What I say? A better time you know say no training with the second team.
Yes.
Then our bought team because we bought first team but say 1 million na OG a week you are still taking it. So it's better we sit him down, give him what he thinks is okay. Now yenya bibi kakra wo e no onko. O just say so I think say what Awako is saying, agree with him, and the management should also, I mean, sit down with him and have a piece of, I mean, discussion and just agree.
Say list to a idea, and you better list to another crowd or edify Kotoko camp on them. So if I'm ready now, if you're list to now, I didn't also Asante Kotoko.
Information I mean, Chese Agadas $150,000. Mudasiru deal no na nye $400,000 as reported.
Okay.
It was $50,000.
50.
Yes.
Okay.
$50,000. To the count 200,000.
$200,000.
And I done lad 200,000 and 700 So you approximately 200,000 to the count 400,000. And I betika there.
Okay.
100,000. Until $400,000 plus 100,000 K from Betika ne Agadas, Mudasiru, and Adanlad workup scan. These are part of the receivables. Not a word reporting him. What I said, the past management indicated in the report. So this is over excess of the liabilities of him. So their boy. So I'm hoping, sir, if said they are going to settle the Sika way in Aba, they should make sure, sir, board member now. Or both team nebosia and a 200,000. They should make sure some betray send a bear some jebede. We don't want a situation whereby season has started now. Team new momentum, nothing about down, can never be creating news near there.
Yes.
It's IMC no. Dasuberi. I know sir boss in there say who believes on your boss be my own and crankasa. But a cardian pro. Into share ni muna. I think the leader of the IMC contempo hine afere or a proper corporate person because we are a chartered accountant definitely
two for personal accountant
we'll go through the corporate governance studies no matter where ABI at the university or at that level or making sure say all the debt will be settled send a kind a card dying. A very important part.
Okay.